Welcome back. I recently tried the Hydrocolloid Invisible Pimple Patches by the Inkeylist, and they truly live up to their claims. In just 4 hours, I noticed a significant reduction in the size and redness of my breakouts. These patches are a game changer, especially because they contain a blend of powerful breakout-fighting ingredients like hydrocolloid, salicylic acid, and succinic acid. The Invisiblur TM technology makes them ultra-thin and ultra-matte, rendering them almost undetectable on my skin. I even wore them under makeup without any issues. They seamlessly blend into all skin tones and effectively blur imperfections, which is a huge plus. The hydrocolloid extracts impurities and flattens imperfections, while the salicylic acid exfoliates to unclog pores, and succinic acid helps reduce redness and excess oil. These patches are perfect for anyone with normal, dry, combination, or oily skin, and are concerned about redness, acne, blemishes, or oiliness. I also appreciate that these patches are cruelty-free and come in recyclable packaging, aligning with my values. Overall, these patches are fast-acting, discreet, and highly effective, making them the best pimple patches I've ever used. Highly recommend!